Today we are cooking with the Pandus. Cooking with the Pandus. Cooking with the Pandus. Cooking with the Pandus. We made vegan tacos slash burritos. Turned out great, and now we're gonna get started and show you how we did it.
Wonderful.
All right,
get started.
So basically, I went to Whole Foods the other day and honestly just grabbed a ton of stuff. So I grabbed some brown rice tortillas, and I knew black beans were important. Avocado makes it more filling, so I got a bunch of avocados. I knew we had brown rice at home, so we could put some brown rice inside the tacos or on the side. We already had vegan cheese at home, which I made my dad nachos with yesterday. And we have salsa. I was gonna like get veggies, but this was already cut up and stuff, so it came with some seasoning for it too to make fajitas. I figured we could do something with this.
The convenience.
Now what?
Now what we can do is, where's the black beans?
Black beans.
Yeah. I mean, you can buy it like this or you can buy canned.
They were both next to each other. I just picked this one.
I'm just telling them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But she picked this one. Okay, I need
Oh.
scissors. What you're gonna do, you get this pan, get a normal saucepan, which we need to go get.
We got this, guys. Cooking with the Pandus. Cooking with the Pandus. Cooking with the Pandus. Cooking with the Pandus. Cooking with the Pandus.
Cooking with the Pandus.
Let's show everybody the number of pans. We asked for pans. We got 4 pans.
This is too tiny. I need a big pan for this.
You want a big pan like this?
No. Let's not take this, mommy.
Yeah, why not? Let's do it. This was a pre-made seasoning that came with the mix at Whole Foods to make fajitas. So let's put that in there. Mix it all together for 3 minutes. Go Mama Pandu. Go Mama Pandu. Go Mama Pandu.
Okay. Juicy, juicy. I love juicy word, yes. Because everything I like juicy.
All right, let's give you an inside look into what these veggies are looking like. That looks good, Mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's going on over here, Monty?
Salsa.
We ate all the salsa, and we're still eating all the salsa.
No, I'm gonna be
This
done.
is supposed to be a key ingredient in our food. Apparently, this recipe is supposed to take 7 minutes. Funny, when it comes to like cooking chicken biryani or chicken curry or dosas, it's like this. We're just figuring out how to make vegan tacos.
Wow,
Stirring.
this looks good. Oh.
Okay, Monty is gonna take care of the beans with the tomatoes and the chili seasoning. I'm gonna take care of this cream sauce situation. How did you turn the veggies to look like a curry? It looks like a vegetable curry. To make this avocado cream sauce, using cilantro, your choice of yogurt, this one's vegan, Kite Hill, shout out to Radhi, avocado, lime, blender. All right, how much do I need again? Avocados are so pretty.
That's me, one of the first foods I introduced to Jaden.
Avocados are delicious and filling.
Yes. But I do have like a little allergy there. But I still eat them.
Really?
Yeah, my throat itches when it happens, and that's natural. Some people get it. I'm one of those some people.
Okay, 1 cup of fresh cilantro. I need a cup of that, Mom. And then 1 tablespoon of lime. I'm just gonna use a half of a lime instead of a tablespoon of lime. Is that too much? Cooking's hard.
Cilantro is ready.
Smells
for
so
you.
good, Mom.
Cilantro is ready.
Okay. Here's your.
Okay, putting in
Okay,
cilantro.
Oh, cilantro also grind chestava.
Yeah,
Cilantro is so yummy. For
I
flavor.
think. Oops. I grew up in a house where the measuring cup was my mom's eye. So I'm surprised to even find this measuring cup here. Okay, half a cup of yogurt. This is gonna be delicious. Mom, I need garlic.
Garlic, garlic, garlic. Only 1 clove?
1 clove crushed, yeah. And we have vegan cheese.
If you want, I can put like.
fine.
It's the opposite way.
Oh.
Deepica.
I thought this was your blender.
We got this, guys. New series, Cooking with the Pandus.
Bottom you put the big chunk of the
Sorry.
avocado. Use some general common sense, Deepica.
Mom, I was busy working hard. I didn't have time to learn to cook. I'm learning now, right? What does it taste like? They said to add salt and pepper.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, I need to put little salt, but taste really good. Gone.
Yeah, but it needs salt.
Yeah. Why you put another spoon?
Sorry.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
Tastes fresh.
Very fresh.
And while that's going on, let's find out what's going on with Monster. What you doing, Mon?
In the beans.
So what'd you put in there?
Just your black beans, your salsa, and this taco seasoning you bought.
see.
This one right here.
That was also from Whole Foods.
Yes, but if you want to improvise, you can always add more stuff. Because that's how we do it in this family. You know,
Cool.
we're going to taste it, and I'll tell you what I add, if I add anything.
Okay. So we got our beans done, we got our veggies done, we got our sauce done, and now we're gonna put it into this taco shell. I think you got every drop, Mom. So we got our fajita veggie mix, we got our fresh made cilantro sauce, we got some vegan cheese, we got some cut up jalapenos, we got some fresh cut roasted corn, some brown rice with some hot sauce in it, warmed up beans with some tomato salsa inside, our brown rice tortillas, some chips, and vegan wine. No margaritas today, folks. I think Monster should do the honors and do the first taco. We're done. Mom,
What?
what do you think?
This is vegan, Mom.
Vegan, but cheese also they can make vegan.
It's
cheese?
out of cashews.
Huh?
Big, mega style, Texas style taco.
Do it, do it.
Hey! Good. Good.
Welcome.
Our turn, our turn, our turn. The sauce was me.
Where is sauce you come?
Mom is gonna
So good.
Okay, my turn, my turn, my turn. Somebody hold it for me. And where to begin?
Delicious, huh?
Mmm.
It is delicious.
Wow!
What do we do now?
eat.
We eat. Oh my god. Mmm.
Very good. Raja,
What is that? Taco?
we made taco just now, so
What
it
is
has all jalapenos and everything. Try. Sal.
You don't like anything but Indian food. What do you think of this, Dad?
Good. Hey?
This is spicy, that's why I like it.
Daddy loves this. He's eating. I put more jalapenos for him. He's eating. He loves jalapenos. It's a hit. I'm telling you, I'm going to do from now on. So very easy. Very easy to do it. Yeah, very easy.
Teamwork?
Makes the dream work.
That's right.
Really good.
We did it. Cooking with the Pandus. Monica's first one with us, Mom.
Yeah, Monica has actually helped us.
Monica did it all, really. That was delicious. We're gonna go and finish the rest of this.
Really, really good.
Really good.
I never expect like this. I think you got all the good ingredients, Deepica. That's the main thing.
All right, we're gonna go eat. Let us know what you want to see next, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.